Hello, my friends. Welcome back to MTDCNC. I'm with my buddy Derek today, and I bet you can't get, well, you could probably guess where we are because it's right behind us. Yes, Morris Midwest. When we think of Morris Midwest, we think of service and support and confidence and reliability and all these bits and pieces that happen behind the machine tools that are so famous as well. And there are a lot of details that need to be supported behind the scenes, as I just mentioned, but also after sales and turnkey and all of these little tidbits, which is why I have Derek here with me today, because as I always tell you, I bring the experts with me, and Derek is definitely an expert. So Derek, these are kind of the details you want to go over today with our audience here at Morris Midwest, right?
Yes, I do. I appreciate, Tony, the opportunity to talk to you about what we bring different to the marketplace. As we all know, there's a lot of good competitors out there. What does separate us is the team behind us. When you invest the amount of money that's invested in some of these pieces of technology, the support team needs to be strong. The support team needs to have customer-first mentality, and I think that is where we separate ourselves, we believe, further from the competition.
I think that's a really great attribute to have, and if I am a customer, and certainly a potential customer, the words coming out of your mouth sound like perfection to me because, as you mentioned, technology is important. Automation, we're getting there, lights out, making sure that we can take care of being financially responsible, but we need the right relationships in order to do that. Can you talk a little bit about what these relationships mean here at Morris Midwest?
We've got a 40-plus year relationship with Akuma and plus probably over 30 years with Tsugami. Those relationships mean something for us as a family, and that family has been, generation after generation. There's machines that are still in service after 40-plus years as a Tsugami. With our team, we've got, as you can see on our board here, we've got people that are with our organization for over 25 years. What we need to do is that when we're the chosen supplier on this, we have to let them know that they're dealing with people with a great deal of experience. The experience comes from what they see, and our side of it is we've got people who are long time in the tooth with our company. And what I mean by that is that it's just not that they're here. They've got a lot of experience on the floor. They've got experience with the builders. They've got experience with everybody on the team that makes us a very successful purchase as a company who's going to be spending that kind of dollars with us.
Those are really important statements to convey, I think, because the technology is everywhere, and having those type of people within your community and within your company are extremely important. Now, I hear the word success thrown around a lot, and success out there means different things to different people. As I'm walking around here, when I think about success and the people that you have, it's the success of the partnerships and the success of your customers and potential customers really light up your coworkers' eyes when you go, that company was able to have success because of our relationship and what we were able to provide. Would you see that to be true as well?
That's right. I mean, the guys really thrive on the fact that they grow these relationships after the fact. The next sale really truly is done by the acceptance of who we are and how we've been able to support them with a startup. It's extremely important when people, I go back to the comment, when you spend these kind of dollars, you're expecting to hit the ground running. And what we do is we try to make that the first initiative because it's customer first. They've got a commitment to their customer, we've got a commitment to them, and ultimately together we succeed.
And we're in the Midwest of the U.S. And when I think about the manufacturing mecca here, there's discussions for California and Texas and the Northeast, but there's a heavy discussion for here in the Midwest. So you must be as good as you are right here at Morris to support this local area, plus the Morris Group as a whole expands even further. But we're standing in Morris Midwest, getting people excited for the Morris Madness coming up again. But you must have that technology. You must have those skills. You must have those people because you are in a mecca of manufacturing here in the Midwest.
It's a tough part of the country. I mean, you're right. It is the mecca of manufacturing. And like I said earlier, is that there's a lot of good builders that are out there. There's a lot of good competitors that are out there that every day you're tested. Every day you are expected to bring the best to the table. And we spend a lot of time, working closely with our builders, understanding the technology. And we then translate that into the training of our people, making sure that when they go out there, they are customer-centric first, that they bring the best solution for that customer.
And every customer, in my opinion, from what I've seen, for what my opinion is worth, absolutely embraces a partner who looks out for them first, who looks out for the customer first. And you guys are fantastic at that. Now, it would be remiss of me, as a part of that partnership and a part of that support, to not just briefly mention the Turnkey Center that you have just to the north of us.
Yeah, we made a concerted effort about 18 months ago to make the center down in Wisconsin. We actually call it the Turnkey Center of Excellence. We pride ourselves on what goes into that facility and also what obviously comes out of that. There's 15,000+ square feet just set up for turnkeys on our floor down there, all the way from the CAD/CAM systems to the floor's been redone. I mean, we've spent some dollars doing this correctly, we believe, so that when the customer comes in, he understands it's an experience when you walk in, because it's not just the shiny box that you're getting, it's everything else behind the scenes, because turnkeys can get a little difficult and a little challenging. So when you come there, we have to be prepared, and we are definitely prepared with a very high-tech showroom that will expose everything for them, meaning where we started, where we're at, and how we're going to finish the end of the project for them.
I like it, and congratulations on that. And we're going to close out this whole conversation, Derek, with talking a little bit about Morris Madness. Now, there's a lot of madness that happens in March, but
yeah.
Morris is one of them. Would you mind talking to the audience a little bit and just giving them a message of saying, come see us, check us out, this is why? And I know we just went over a whole gambit of information, but maybe a final summary for everyone.
I invite everybody to come out to our Elgin facility. We're going to have Akuma technology, Tsugami technology. We'll also be able to show you some of the select products that Morris imports for the larger solutions that are needed in the Midwest. We look forward to our vendor partners as well too that will definitely be on site with us, combining those technologies with the machines from Akuma and Tsugami along with Select, and also meeting the engineers that will definitely help you bring that manufacturing solution to your floor and make an impact to your company's bottom line. Please join us at Morris Madness.
Derek, I couldn't have asked for a better interview. That was incredible. I do appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you all at Morris Madness as well. Hop on camera, take some pictures. Let's learn some technology together. We'll see you all there. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you again soon.
Thank you.